Okay, horn reaction videos. Subscribe, like the videos, tell your friends about it. Ethiopia, good morning. I got one. This is kind of a new one from Ethiopia, so I want to get into it right away because it's kind of nice to see one that's that just came out. And I'm gonna do a reaction video, so I will stop and pause. So expect that, and let's get going right away. Support the local one. I like that train imagery right away. Music's gonna start in a minute, but let's just kind of see. Okay, let me just take a look here. I wonder where this train is at. Looks pretty spacious. Mountains in the background. It's kind of interesting. I can kind of hear some, country twang in there, especially. Kind of cool. It definitely has that Ethiopian, 100% Ethiopian sound too. So it's interesting how how this musician mixes those two together a little bit. Dang, I like that. That kind of came in with this kind of, that was kind of cool. The way that came in, the voice came in. I like that a lot. Yeah, actually, Ethiopia is kind of getting, there's like, well, not kind of getting, but there is a range of kind of interesting little things in the music. You haven't really quite seen this little combination like this. It's kind of country-ish with a little bit of twang, with a little bit of very Ethiopian still, but then, different kind of Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty cool. This is a brand new one. I kind of curious how this is going to go in Ethiopia. I'm curious about like how popular it's going to be, or how many people are listening to it. I'm always curious how much in Ethiopia, like is this something that's on the radio that people are hearing all the time, or are people just kind of downloading on YouTube? And I don't know. Kind of curious how music gets distributed in Ethiopia in general. Tell you one of the things that I learned from you guys is that in Ethiopia there's kind of a term of endearment when you feed somebody else. So whenever I see this, and I see it in a lot of videos, once somebody pointed out that has a lot of value, it has meaning, that you're feeding somebody else. It's I see it everywhere. So another example right there too. So another thing I noticed in Ethiopia, people when they sing, they like to put their hands up, you know, like that or like that or like that. Makes sense, you know. You gotta use a little bit of body language as well. So. I do like that imagery though. Train track. Looks pretty cool right there. Like that one. Yeah, that one looks pretty cool. Actually, there's a lot of good images in this one. That makes me so curious in Ethiopia, like if these are getting like, do they get like MTV play and people watch the videos? Because if they do, I can see this one being a popular video because there's really good colors and some imagery in here, and you know, he's dressed in an interesting way that you know, I can see that having a lasting impact on people, just that imagery. Pretty cool, Ethiopia. So yeah, I was able to get a reaction to this one. This one just came out too, so so I kind of, and I liked it right away. It's kind of cool, you know, the guitar and some of the imagery in there as well. Like this guy with the guitar looks pretty interesting, you know. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, pretty cool, Ethiopia. So thanks a lot. I'm glad to be able to do another reaction one from the great, beautiful land of Ethiopia. And take care, everybody.